Movie Omkara is an excellent one directed by Vishal Bharadwaj. So it's about Saif Ali Khan, who was called Langra in the movie, and he's acted the role so well. Otherwise, he's so classy. Yeah, but in this, nobody can figure it out as his acting is unparalleled. Each and everyone has acted the role quite well. Ajay Devgan is the kingpin, he's the main character, and others are Keshu, his brother, who is Vivek Oberoi, and Omkara, who is Omni, as Ajay Devgan. He is in love madly with Kareena Kapoor, who was otherwise got engaged to other guy at the behest of his her dad. But she was madly in love, and she had the courage to walk out of the relationship, and she said bid farewell to her dad because she was blind for him and her love was pure, and she started staying with him even without tying the knot. It was quite a brave move that point of time. It's set up in a village, but they had a house which was better than the others. It was like well-built house and with terrace and all that. But other were like villagers. And then Konkana Sale is the sister of Omni, and and there's also a friend for Langra who always instigates negativity. And this movie is all about getting poisoned, and how how a noble person can get poisoned. And it was none other than Omni, who Omkara. He was constantly told things in a very shrewd manner. You can yeah, in a witty way by which he couldn't even get angry at Langra, and he used to constantly poison him against his own brother Keshav for having an affair with Kareena Kapoor since they were in the same college. And the fire was always getting more fuel because of the other guy also, who both of them actually had made this plan. And ultimately he got convinced, Omkara, that she is having an affair. And there was one kind of ancestral, you can say, where what we put waistband, which he had presented to to his wife Kareena, and she was not able to find it because it was stolen by Konkana and given to her boyfriend, who was Langra. And then when he saw, and when Langra gave this to Keshav, and Keshav gave this to his girlfriend, who was Bipasha Basu, and Bipasha Basu wore this one in one of the item song. So when Omkara saw this, he was infuriated. He thought that she's cheating on him, and what he did the day they got married, he just killed her with a pillow. that's a really classy. It's the most catchy scene, you can say. And then when Konkana breaks the news, she unearths the secret about her stealing. He was not able to forgive himself, and he even shot himself. So, and Konkana shot her boyfriend, who was Langra. So and Konkana committed suicide. She was filled with guilt that she just jumped in a well. Most of the characters died. Only survivors were two of them, Keshav and Bipasha. So the movie have two item songs by Bipasha. It's quite done quite. I mean, it's a well directed one. So my friends, never believe what you hear, or what unless you see and hear and you have got proof because this movie was all about poisoning one's ears, because of which so many deaths happened. It's an excellent one, must watch. Almost 4 stars and 4.5 stars.